Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Range Rover steering wheel. First, locate the adjustment controls, usually a lever or button on the steering column. Once found, use it to unlock the steering wheel, allowing it to move freely. You can then adjust the wheel for both reach, meaning closer or further away, and rake, which is its up and down angle. Find a position that feels comfortable and provides clear visibility of your dashboard. Finally, firmly lock the steering wheel back into place before driving. Range Rover vehicles offer two primary adjustment types, electric and manual. Electric systems typically use small buttons or a joystick on the column, providing smooth, precise movement. Manual systems, on the other hand, rely on a physical lever that you pull to release the column, adjust it, and then push back to lock it. Electric adjustments are often found in higher trim levels and offer greater convenience, sometimes even linking to driver profiles for automatic recall. Many Range Rover models allow you to save your preferred steering wheel position using memory settings. Look for numbered buttons, usually 1, 2, or 3, on the door panel or dashboard. You can often link these settings to your specific key fob, so the steering wheel, seat, and mirrors automatically adjust when you unlock the vehicle. This personalization ensures your ideal driving setup is recalled every time, enhancing both comfort and convenience for multiple drivers. Proper steering wheel adjustment is crucial for both safety and ergonomics. Ensure the wheel doesn't obstruct your view of the instrument cluster, allowing you to see all vital information. Maintain a safe distance of at least 10 to 12 inches from the center of the steering wheel to the center of your chest, providing adequate space for airbag deployment. This also helps maintain proper arm and shoulder posture, reducing fatigue and improving control during your drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.